Hello, my name is Dave Myers. I'm with the University of Maryland Extension. My office is in Anne Arundel County, and I work with the farmers in Anne Arundel and Prince George's County, as well as in the state with all my colleagues in Extension, and we have a wonderful time. And today we had an apple workshop, and I gave a talk on weed management. And as a weed scientist, it's kind of close and near and dear to me how important it is as we talk about integrated programs, integrated pest management. Of course, weeds are very competitive, and when we're establishing orchards early on, typically I tell my growers that you really need to have the best growing start that you can to get yourself into production. It's all about economics, it's all about being successful. And so herbicides are a tool that we typically use, and I always find ways to help our growers integrate the chemistry of herbicides and look at all the different chemical families, look at the options, look at how we start out, we're kind of softer, a little bit softer approach, and as we develop our weed problems and challenges, we add more herbicides. And I always tell growers it's not just a one-time application and you're done. It's really a multiple approach, sometimes as many as 4 or 5 applications per year to try to keep a non-competitive zone, a weed-free zone, at least 5 feet down the row in that orchard area, so that all the nutrients and the water are going in to feed that tree, and you have total control. And that way you have a very quality product coming out the end of that, and a very less likely to have other problems like diseases and pests and viruses. And so by controlling weeds, we'll get off to a successful start. And we'll use a different array of herbicides to make sure we use the best tools we can, and use the herbicide families so that we avoid resistance development. And I tell you, it really is wonderful in a way that you learn the process of how these biochemical tools can kind of stack the deck in your favor, make sure you're successful. And aesthetically, you'll have a beautiful orchard, and you'll have high quality fruit in the end. So anyway, we had a great talk today, and that was just one of the talks at the workshop today, and it was a pleasure to do.